Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 92. If we start with this middle box, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 9, 7 and 9 here. So this is our 1. That 9 makes us our 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 5. No help here, 4, 5, 8. 4 and 8 here. That makes this our 5, 4, 8. For this column, now we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2's covering these two boxes, so this must be our 2. Don't see any other help, so 4, 5, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. No help here. 1, 2, 6. 2 and 6 here. Makes this our 1. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 7, 8. 8 here, so 5, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4, 5, and 7 here. So this is our 3. 4 and 7 here, so this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 7. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. 7 makes this our 8, 5. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're just missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 7. No help here. 3, 5, 6, 7. Same here. 3, 5, 6, 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so 3, 5. 5 and 7 here, so 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so that makes this our 6. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. So with this 6, we can get rid of this 6, this 6. That makes this our 3, 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 3, 6. And this must be our 7. That 5 makes this our 3, 6. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. for this column now. We're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.